If you are facing the age verification error on X, here's how you can fix it. First, open any browser and type m.x.com. Now, log in to your X account. Tap on your profile, then select Profile again. Tap Edit Profile. Scroll down a bit and tap on Date of Birth. Tap Edit and make sure your age is set to 18 years or older. Then tap Done, tap Save and confirm the changes. Now go back and tap on your profile again. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Safety. Then tap Content You See. Tap Explore Settings and make sure both toggles are turned on. Now go back and tap Search Settings. Both toggles are turned on. Here you can turn off any content filters if they are enabled. That's it. The age verification error should no longer appear on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.